Hello everyone. So I was just revising my vocab session, so I thought why not to upload a video on this. So here are some words, actually it's important words from Hindu editorial, which is very important for our exam session, and it will improve your vocabulary first, and it will improve your pronunciation too. So these are what first one is fatigue. That mean someone is very weak, that mean extreme level of weakness, and tiredness is called fatigue. That means tiredness and weakness of extreme level, that is called fatigue. Second one is epitome. That means a perfect example of something. That means someone is very perfect. Personification, you can say. Synonym of epitome is called personification or example of something, that is called epitome. Third one is restraint. That means the act of stopping or holding back. किसी चीज़ को रोक देना या होल्ड कर देना, लाइक बैक कर देना किसी चीज़ को वहीं पे, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिस्ट्रेंट. यू कैन इजिली गेट इट व्हाट द मीन ऑफ रिस्ट्रेंट. समथिंग दैट इज स्टॉपेबल और होल्डिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड restraint. Fourth one is hobble. That means restrict the activity or development. Restriction is common, but when you restrict any activity or a development, that is called hobble. Fifth one is adequate. I think adequate, the pronunciation of this, and the meaning of this is the customary code of polite behavior. That means someone is very tact, like they are very polite person. You can say someone is very tact, someone is very decorum. That is called adequate. So these are some words, hope you get it. So let's revise. First one is fatigue. That means weakness of extreme level, that is called fatigue. Second one is epitome, a perfect example of something, like personification. Example, you can say assurance, that is called epitome. Third one is restraint. That means the act of something or holding back. किसी चीज़ को, किसी एक्ट को वहीं पे स्टॉप कर देना, होल्ड कर देना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिस्ट्रेन. फोर्थ वन इज हॉबल, रिस्ट्रिक्ट द एक्टिविटी और डेवलपमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड हॉबल. And fifth one is adequate. That means the customary code of polite behavior. Someone is very tact, someone is very decorum, that is called advocate. Thank you.